AI first. Design is dead. UX is dead. Figma is dead. Duolingo thinks you're a friggin' idiot if you're not using AI every second of every day. Shopify drops UX. Liquid glass is going to destroy UI as we know it. Lately, these kinds of provocations are everywhere, and they're nothing more than headline bait, fear fuel, and engagement experiments. I've come to believe the design community suffers from a serious case of FOMO. We're more preoccupied with chasing trends and tools than solving actual problems. The anxiety around becoming obsolete is real, especially in a field that evolves by the minute. I get it. I've been doing this for 30 years. I've had to adapt to countless new TTPs, tactics, techniques, and procedures, aka trends, tools, and processes. Change is often the only constant. But staying current doesn't mean blindly jumping on every bandwagon or adopting every weird idea peddled by some influencer chasing clicks. We should know better. Let's stay grounded in what we do best: user-centered, data-driven design. Test ideas. Validate them. Don't rush to embrace every shiny new concept just because it's blowing up your feed. Yes, we need something to talk about. Yes, the algorithms reward outrage and novelty. I'm certainly a contrarian. I'm no stranger to it. But if a new idea doesn't come with data and proven measurable results, it just doesn't deserve your immediate buy-in. So until it does, TLDR, too late, I don't give a poopy what Shopify or Duolingo does. Design and UX are very much alive, and I'm not putting liquid glass on my UI anytime soon, and neither should you. What do you think about the current state of FOMO in the design community? Do you think I'm over-exaggerating, or does this resonate with you? What else can we do to focus more on the important problems that need to be solved than social media soap operas? Leave a comment below.